So how I have made $835 in one day with email marketing using special 6-system email sequence that you can send every single day to someone else's email list. Now, I did not have to build my own email list, even though I have my email lists, right? But in this case, I tried the new method that I was developing over the last 3 months, and it's working really well. So let me share with you exactly step by step. So please, it might sound boring, but you have to stay until the end of this video so you can get exact secret system, basically secret, that I have used to make affiliate commissions. Now in this case, low ticket affiliate commissions, like for example on here, when you go to ClickBank, right? If you go to ClickBank, you can see over here, right? Do the math. You see, for example, starting commission is 75%. 75% starting commissions. Usually you can get up to 90%, right? So the vendor is going to give you 90%. Now let's do the math first. Let's say you're getting 75% commissions and you are getting, let's say, $70 per sale. So if you have 10 sales, you make $700. If you make 100 sales, right, and then upsells, you make over $10,000 promoting this offer over the month, right, over the period of 30 days. So how is doable? How you can do it? Let me show you here. I will share it with you the system that I'm using and what is really important before you start sending out any emails, right? Now, first of all, you don't have to write those emails yourself. Those are done for you, but stay until the end of this video so you can understand how it works, right? Because if everyone would just buy any kind of solo ads, they would all be making money, but it does not work like that. It's not that easy and simple as someone tell you to be. But if you have the right system, if you have the right emails, if you have the right structure, body copy, everything, and you know what you're doing and what audience you are targeting, then of course you'll have better results. So let me show you what you have to do first. It's called pre-selling secrets. So what is pre-selling? The first thing is that the money manifesting magic is not what you do while you make the offer, but the most important thing is to understand that the magic is what you do before and after you make the offer. So in this case with email marketing, right, what you have to do first is you have to have the email list that is not only trustworthy, but also big enough in the size, and also that they have past buyers. They're already pre-sold on the idea, on the problem, on the concept. They have to be pre-sold, right? If you just cold traffic, mean that strangers on the email list, no relationship with that list, of course you won't make any money, even you send the best emails. So the most important thing to understand is this. You have to have the email list, and if you have the right emails, you can pre-sell them before they buy. So it's a really important concept to understand. Now, you don't have to be a copywriting master to do this, right? I'm not a copywriting master at all. So I just understand that people buy based on different buy buttons that you can include in your emails and what to do before and after your emails. So pre-selling secret is really important. Now, those are 2 secrets, right? Before, what you do is we pre-sell. So there are let's say 5 specific things that we pre-sell before we make any kind of offers, right? And if you don't pre-sell those 5 things, you'll struggle to get conversions, you will struggle to get sales, right? So it's important thing. I'm sure you have never heard in any course before on ClickBank or from any ClickBank guru that you have to do 5 specific pre-sales before person purchase the product, right? And everyone do it the wrong way. They call it a pre-sale page, for example, when people run Google ads or Facebook ads or YouTube ads, but they don't understand how to pre-sell 5 specific things to the audience before they even buy, right? They call it pre-sale page, but they don't understand what to pre-sell or how to pre-sell, right? So without that, you can even sell high ticket products without having to be on the phone, without having to let people watch webinar, right? Or do webinars. So it's really important thing to understand. And after that, it's follow-up. Now, follow-up sequences are also really important if you want to make recurring commissions with email marketing, right? Because your follow-up game needs to be focused only on one thing. And most people don't do it at all. Most affiliates, especially newbies, don't do it at all. Or they just follow up to get people just to buy the product or program, right? So of course then it go to hell basket, so nothing happens, right? Because they try to sell product, they try to sell course, the program in the email, and they're doing it the wrong way. Of course, so they're losing time and money from specific buyers. They are buyers. Those people are buyers, you know. They want to buy, but because they're using the wrong email, the wrong sequences, the wrong system, of course, they don't get results, right? They don't get results. So, what is my 6-step sequence or email system? What is that? I will show now. So, for example, on Monday, I will send specific email called T1. So, I will send T1 on Monday. On Tuesday, I will send T2. And on Wednesday, I will monitor, see what happens, and send email 3, which is T3, right? And then on Thursday, I can monitor and send email 3. And on Friday, I send email 4. And on Saturday, I usually don't send any emails because it's a bad day to send emails, you know. So I don't send emails on Saturdays. But on Sundays, remember this, on Sundays, I send the email 5. And why on Sunday? Because I find that in the evening time, right, most people, especially in US, Canada, right, it's a peak time. And most people, right, they like to get on the computer. They go on the computer on Sunday evening time and they open the emails. The open rate is higher, and it doesn't have to be higher, right? It depends, right? You can have higher open rate, but no sales. So it does depend that you're targeting the right audience with your let's say subject, right? Subject line has to be like something specific. And I always share with people how to do it. I have different emails, I have different templates in place, and you can fill in the blanks, right? So when you do this properly, you can start generating great results. You can have $1,000 or $1,500 a week, right? At the bare minimum, if you're promoting, let's say, $49 product or $200 product from ClickBank or any other affiliate network. But remember this, do not copy and paste what vendors on ClickBank are giving you, because you won't get anywhere. If those emails would be so great, they wouldn't just let it out for free, right? You have to understand, you have to position yourself differently, right? Look what the masses do and do the opposite, right? See what most affiliates do. Most affiliates go on ClickBank, they don't think anything, copy and paste, and they don't get anywhere. They get nowhere, no results. So what to do next if you want to get results with email marketing? If you want not to write emails, right? Because I'm not writing emails to make money, but to have, let's say, 1 or 4 to 5 email paragraph, send it out once per week, get commissions, right? For example, from ClickBank, and you can send it to someone else's list and bank, let's say, 1,500, even more per week at the minimum, right? Per partner, per email. So if you would you take me up on it? That's my question. Would you take me up on it? If you could make, let's say, $1,500 per week, sending out emails that are specially crafted and designed to get the results. There are many different niches. I'm not doing it all of the niches myself, right? So there is a big potential because you have survival niche, you have hobby niche, you have online marketing niche, you have software niche, you have business niche, e-learning, health and weight loss, relationship. There is so many different niches out there, and you can take advantage, right? You can take legal advantage of that if you want to get the results without having to spend any money on paid advertising. So if you want to understand how to do it, the links are in the description below. Let me know, contact me, and I'll also give you the access to some of the emails that I use. So do let me know, right? Do let me know, and let's get you started. Again, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.